Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Because St. Patrick's Day is coming up, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I make my delicious and chewy mint chocolate chip cookies, and to make them super festive we're going to be adding Lucky Charms into these cookies. If you are new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name's Nicole and I'm just a gal that loves food. I love baking, I love cooking, and I love sharing my recipes with you guys. I post weekly on YouTube, so if you love food or you love watching recipe videos, definitely subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm also going to be showing you guys my favorite way to enjoy these mint chocolate chip Lucky Charm cookies, so definitely watch until the end. Alright guys, I can't wait to get into this recipe video, but as usual, before we get started, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already and you'd like to see more recipe videos from me, subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Let's get started. Alright friends, we're going to start off with 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then we're going to add in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Then we mix. Once that's done, set it off to the side and it's time to work on our wet ingredients. Okay, in a separate bowl, we're going to add in half a cup of white granulated sugar. Then we're going to add in half a cup of brown sugar packed, and when I say packed, this is what I mean, so the sugar is definitely packed right into that measuring cup. Next, we're going to add in half a cup of melted unsalted butter at room temperature. If you feel any warmth at all, make sure to let it sit for a couple more minutes before you start working with it. Then to our mixture, we're going to add in 1 large egg. And then of course, because we are making mint chocolate chip cookies today, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of mint extract. And then we mix until the mixture is thoroughly combined, so make sure all the sugar has dissolved and all the egg has been thoroughly mixed in and you don't see any of those egg white patches. Once the wet ingredients have combined, you should be left with this beautiful ribbon-like consistency, and this step is completely optional, but if you'd like super festive mint chocolate chip cookies, go ahead and add in about 1/4 teaspoon of green gel food coloring and mix that in right into your batter. Wow, I know, so these cookies are going to be very festive and very green. Once the food coloring has been mixed in, it's time to combine the dry ingredients that we mixed earlier into our wet ingredients. While you're mixing, make sure to scrape the flour off of the sides of the bowl as well, and make sure to check under your cookie dough just in case there is a pillow of flour sitting at the bottom of the bowl. Once the ingredients have combined and your cookie dough starts to form, I'm not gonna lie to you, your cookie dough should kind of look like green Play-Doh. We are adding 2 types of mix-ins into these cookies. So first is 1 cup of milk chocolate chips, and if you've ever watched my other cookie videos before, make sure to leave about a handful of the chips aside. And then we're also going to add in about half a cup of Lucky Charms cereal. And then we are just slowly going to incorporate and fold these mix-ins into our cookie dough. Now it is time to roll out our cookie dough balls, and typically I make extremely large cookies, but today I am just using my medium-sized ice cream scooper, and I'm just going to use it to scoop out perfectly circular cookie dough balls. And then we're just going to repeat the same process with the rest of the cookie dough, and this recipe will yield about 13 medium-sized cookies. I know, lucky number 13. And then lastly, obviously if you've watched my other cookie videos before, the last step is to always take a handful of chocolate chips and make sure that the top has some visible chocolate chips on it, because you all know how offended I get when I don't see chocolate chips on a chocolate chip cookie. Alright, so now we're going to let these cookies chill in the fridge for about 20 minutes and preheat our oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Once our cookies are chilled and the oven has been preheated, I'm just going to take a standard baking tray with some parchment paper, and I'm going to place the cookies about 2 inches apart from each other, and on one tray I can bake about 8 cookies. Then these cookies are going to bake in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Out of the oven, your cookies should look something like this, and while they're still warm, I'm going to take just the marshmallows from the Lucky Charms cereal and place them on the tops of my cookies. And if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you know it's time for a close-up cookie break. The cookie dough base recipe in this video is the exact same recipe as my chewy chocolate chunk cookies, so you know that these cookies are definitely going to be so chewy and so soft on the inside. And now, if you want to take these cookies to the next level, Do it like me and turn them into cookie ice cream sandwiches. So here I'm just taking a scoop of a mint chocolate chip ice cream, putting some on one cookie, and you know what I'm gonna do next. Of course, take another cookie and squish that ice cream into the most perfect ice cream cookie sandwich. These are so good, you guys. If you love mint chocolate chip, definitely try this recipe out. Now, just a few pointers for you guys. So first of all, if you don't like mint chocolate and you've actually come this far in the video, first of all, thank you so much for watching. But if you want to make these cookies and you don't like mint chocolate chip, just sub the mint extract with regular vanilla extract and you will have chocolate chunk Lucky Charm cookies. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you end up recreating this recipe, make sure to tag me on my Instagram at @NicoleCharmaine. I love seeing all of your recreations. They're so fun and it makes me so happy. Also this week, I started a TikTok account, so you can definitely follow me on there as well. I'm still trying to figure out how to use it, so maybe you guys can give me some tips and tricks on how to use that platform. Alrighty guys, before I let you go, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and you'd like to see more recipe videos from me, subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. So I am in the process of renovating my bedroom and I have so much stuff around me, it's not even funny. Like, what is this? I went through a huge Hello Kitty phase.